So you're thinking about moving to Arizona, but you don't want to be tied down to taking care of that yard. You want to be out enjoying your life. You don't want to have to worry about mowing the grass, watering the grass, cutting the flowers, trimming the trees. You just want to go out, enjoy your life. Or maybe you just want to lock and leave home. You want to be able to come and go and not have to worry about that yard, having somebody take care of it. Well, in this video, we got you covered because we're going to be talking about townhomes and condos where you don't even have to worry about taking care of a yard, and guess what? They're all budget friendly and they're all very nice. So if what you're looking for is to come out here to Arizona, well, we got you covered on this video. We're going to show you the townhomes where you might want to consider home here in Arizona and not have to worry about taking care of a yard. So let's not waste any more of your time. Let's just hop on into my computer screen and get at it. Okay, so let's just go ahead and hop down into my computer. On our first one that we're going to look at, as you can see right here on my computer screen, it is for $379,000. It is 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, 1,675 square feet. It is a townhome. No, it's not a house. It is a townhome, 1,600 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths. It does have a 2-car garage right here, and your taxes on it are roughly around $1,400 a year. However, you will have an HOA on all these homes, townhomes, I should say, and this one is $215 a month. So let's go ahead and look at the pictures on this one for you so you can take a look at it. And there's the outside of it for you. 2-car garage, nice home, very well maintained. So if you're needing or wanting a 4 bedrooms, 3 bath home, 1,600 square feet plus, has a nice loft area there, this might be a good fit for you. Nicely and well taken care. Looks like the carpet might need to be replaced, depending, it could use a shampooing or not, depending on what your wants and needs are. So here's your yard. It's a balcony. So you definitely are not going to have to worry about taking care of a yard here. And there is your community area, which is the barbecue area here. And right over here is your pool. There's the entryway. It's a gated entryway, as you might know. And there is the community pool that you will have available to you as well. And there you go. So moving on to the next one, let's go grab it. The next one on the list here. This one's $385,000. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 1,784 square feet. It has a private community pool. It has a 2-car garage as well. Taxes right here, $2,893, and the monthly HOA is $326, which is right here. And let's go take a peek at it. This one's Glendale and 91st Avenue. Let's go take a look at the pictures here. Similar type of thing that we just saw earlier. It goes up 3 levels. Very nice. Lots of carpet if you like carpet. Nice spacious rooms. Has the updated cabinets on there. And there's your fitness center for the community and your community pool as well. And your community spa. And again, this one is 3 levels. This is not 2 levels, this is 3. And right here is where you're going to see 3 stories. So if you're okay going up and down 3 stories, this might be a good fit for you. Otherwise, maybe you just want 2 stories and then you would want to take this one off of your list. So let's move on to the next. This next one here is $410,000 right here. And it is 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1,500 square feet. It was built in 2017. And it is all 1 level. That's my kind of thing. When you have bad knees, you don't necessarily want to go up and down stairs. It does have a 2-car garage. The HOA is $1,454 semi-annually, which is every 6 months, and it equates out to, what is it? Sometimes they'll give it to you, they don't give it to you right here. So it's $1,454 every 6 months. Oh, the taxes on this one right here, $22.14. Oh, I know why it's that price, because this is in Pebble Creek, which is a active adult community, and that's why it's single story. There you go. And it's located in Goodyear, Arizona. Let's go take a look at this one. Very nice and open and spacious. I like that. You like it? If you're wanting single level and you're over 55, this may be a good fit for you. Soaker tub and a shower together. Nice size. There we go. 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, and there's your patio or your backyard right there. Everything outside this little brick wall, the HOA is going to take care of, so you don't ever have to worry about it. This is the inside. That's kind of nice. I'm sure that's artificial grass, which gives us a nice soft look, and you don't have to water or mow it, which is even better. Wow, and there's your garage. And if you're a golfer, there you go. So let's go back to the page on this one. Again, this is 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1,500 square feet. And it's a 1-level townhome in Pebble Creek in Goodyear, Arizona. And the next one on our list is it's listed for $425, 2 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 1,278 square feet right here. This one is also 1 level. Yay for me. Not that I care, not that my opinion matters. 2-car garage. The HOA on this one is $118 a month, which is very affordable. And the taxes right here are $21.06 a year. It is located in Buckeye, Arizona, which is a lovely area to live as well. So let's go take a look at the pictures for you on this one, if this is what you're considering. Corner lots. I like corner lots. No neighbor on one side. There's the floor plan for you. I'll stop here just for a brief second to let you look at that. And here is the yard. Very well maintained, very well kept. Wow, that's very nice. That is really nice. Do you like it? Wow, that is nice. Let's go back to the detail sheet. Let's see here. Yeah, 2 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 1,278 square feet for $425,000. And it's in Verado, which is a wonderful, wonderful community. If you haven't seen my video on Verado, the top master plan communities, Verado made the list for that. So check that out. Okay, here's the next one. It's listed at $456,500. 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1,214 square feet. It is 3 stories, so you're going to be getting your exercise. May not ever need to go to the gym going up and down those stairs. It does come with a 2-car garage, and the HOA here is $305.16 a month. Your taxes on this are $1,065, which is right here. And this is in Stone Creek Villas. That's why it's a little higher end place. So, and it's actually in a great location off of the 51 in Cactus near used to be near Paradise Valley Mall, but they tore down the mall. They're putting up apartments. There's a Costco nearby. There's restaurants nearby. There's everything nearby. But here is your beautiful, gorgeous community pool. Looks really nice, and it looks very inviting, especially in the 120-degree summers. Look at that. Isn't that nice? Wow, so 3 stories. See, here's the garage, and there's 3 stories up, 3 levels. So look, I just want to, this is where you're coming in from your garage, and you're going up to your next level, your 2nd level. That is where your first living quarters is, on the 2nd and 3rd level. There's your kitchen. If you like white, this is nice. Nice thing about white, it always looks bigger and more open and more spacious. Wow. Yeah, that was your, so that you're not downstairs. This is your 2nd level. Your kitchen's right here, and you come around, go up to your 3rd level right there. And on your third level is where your bedrooms are. Because the second level is your kitchen and your living room area. Bedrooms. Very nice. Do you like 3 stories? Do you mind having 3 stories? Or do you prefer a 2 or a single story? There's a community spa right there. Community gym, fitness center. Very nice. It's actually a nice area. I have a lot of people that have gone there before and really enjoyed it. Okay, and moving on to the next one here, we have $470,000. It is 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1,723 square feet, built in 1986. It has a 2.5 car garage, which is kind of nice, a little for extra storage if you need a little storage room. The monthly HOA is $306 a month right here. And the taxes on this one, $19.05 for the year. So let's go take a look at the pictures for you. There we go. There's your walkway. That's nice. I like tile. Ah, that's nice. Do you like this one? And this one is a single story. Lots of counter room right there, that's for sure. Nice large bedroom. Very nice bathroom. Citrus trees. That's very nice. Oh, there's your half car right there. See, this is your 2 car, and then you can put whatever else you want there for your storage, which is kind of nice. Some people have to pay extra for storage. You have it right there in your garage. Community pool right there. There's the golf course, tennis courts. I know where this is. This is either Pebble Creek or Westbrook Village. So let's go back here and take a look. Westbrook Village, it is a active adult community, which is a very nice active adult community located in Peoria, Arizona. So again, this is 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1,700 square feet. You don't have to worry about a yard. The HOA takes care of it all. $470,000 for the townhome for $306 a month. So let's move on to the next one. This is $499,999. So just a scooch under $500,000 in Goodyear, Arizona. 2 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 2-car garage. And semi-annually $1,544 every 6 months. And again, this is I'm going to guess, age-restricted area in Goodyear. Pebble Creek, I'm going to assume, yes, Pebble Creek right here. Let's go take a look at this one. If you are wanting something that's not in age-restricted, let me know. I can do another one just without all of those. But it's nice to have a variety because some people want to or need to or would like to consider that type of community. So, and it is a wonderful community as well. And actually some age-restricted areas, most of them are 55, some of them have gone down to 45. So if that's something you're considering or wanting, let me know, I'll check it out for you. Wow, this is nice. Actually, a lot of the homes in this area are very nice. I've had many clients that live here and absolutely love it. It's so conveniently located to so many things, as well as so many amenities in the community. Very well taken care of. And there's your backyard. Everything is all pavers, so you don't ever have to worry about it. And again, anything over the fence, the HOA takes care of. You are responsible for everything on the inside, underneath here. All hardscape because of the pavers, no grass or artificial. And all this here, the HOA takes care of, which is very nice. You just go out and enjoy your life. Go out and just do what your heart desires. Lock and leave and not ever have to worry about anything. There's the community pool. The community golf course. If you love to play golf, you have that available to you as well. They have pickleball, they have tennis courts, Pickleball is extremely, extremely popular there. I mean, it's booming everywhere, but here especially, they just love their pickleball. And then, of course, the fitness center. You can be as fit or as not as you want. And there's the clubhouse, the library, the billiards. Isn't that nice? That's very nice. And again, let me go back to the detail sheet for you. Just under $500,000 for 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, 1,820 square feet. That is just really nice. It's like a lock and leave and not ever have to worry about a yard. Okay, for our last one here, Pebble Creek, 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, 1,875 square feet, 2-car garage, 1,544 semi-annual. Your taxes are $2,373. This area does tend to pull higher in taxes because of everything it offers. So let's go look at the pictures for you. Another nice townhome in Goodyear. Very well maintained. You can tell right here. Let me go back one here for you. That's all original. But it was definitely well maintained and well taken care of. That looks like a quartz countertop. If I were a guessing person, it looks like maybe they were snowbirds. Oh, isn't that nice? Don't ever have to worry about anything outside that patio fence. That's the HOA takes care of. And it was built in 2017, so very, very young house. Okay, so here's the map of everything I showed you today. These green little dots are where we are. We had several of them right here, and then right here as well. We showed 8 different properties. In fact, I'm going to move this over and zoom in and see if I can. Yeah, we had several of them right here for you. But if you're interested in a townhome and you wanted to be in a different area, just let me know. Send me a text, email, or you can call me and just let me know what area that you're looking for, and I'll find it for you. So what did you think of those townhomes? Did any of those interest you? What's really nice about them is that you truly can lock and leave them. You don't have to worry about a yard. You can just go out and live your life and enjoy it to its fullest and not have to worry about, oh, I have to mow the grass, water the grass, trim the flowers, and do all this. All you have to worry about what's inside, and then go outside and enjoy your life to the fullest. If that's something you're interested in, something that you want, let me know. I will look at whatever area that you're interested in. So what'd you think about any of those? Did you like them? Some of them, none of them, all of them? Let me know. I'd love to hear what your feedback is on it. That would be fantastic. If this is your first time to the channel and you'd like to know everything about living in the greater Phoenix area, well, remember, subscribe below and ring the bell. Ding, 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 ding. So you can be notified when anything new comes up about living in Phoenix, Arizona, and all the surrounding areas. My name is Mary K. Marino, and welcome to Hello Arizona Living and Real Estate. We are here to help you, serve you, and guide you at the highest level possible. So whether you're moving in days, months, or years, whatever your time frame is, give us a call, text, or email. We are always here to help you days, nights, and weekends. We get calls, texts, emails almost every single day from people just like you looking for help to make a smooth move to Arizona. And we absolutely love it, and we feel honored by it as well. So like I say, call, text, or email us. We are here to help you throughout the whole process. So what do I say at the end? Until I show you around town, see you around town, you have an awesome, memorable, fantastic, incredible day. Bye for now, and see you next time.